Alright, in this video we're going to show how to do a quick localization in iCON site. So we've imported our line work and our surface and control points. Got our base set up, so we're just going to go to coordinate systems. I'm going to do a large area. It's not required to do a large area, I just like it because it'll give you directions to your first point. So if the stakes are knocked out and it's just a nail there, it'll get you close, make it easy to find. So I'm just going to select a sample geoid. So right now, see me walking around on the screen, so I can click the first point I want to localize on. It's telling me how far away from it I am. And then we'll just walk over to it. Go get set on the nail. Once you get within, where you're dead on it and bubbled up, on the tilt rover you don't have to bubble up. You'll just hit average. And it's averaging 20 shots a second. You can change how long you want it to average depending on the conditions. So once you've got one, then you'll just select the next one you want to do. It's going to, like I say, guide you to it. And on the simulator, my elevations are going to be bad because there's no way to really fine tune those for a quick video. So it's going to show that it's not a good localization, but this is how it's done anyway. Average on that one, and just carry on. So we'll get this one here. And the last one. Alright, so once you've got them all averaged, we want to hit our ribbon down here. This shows you the quality, and actually it did show that the heights were good. I forgot I made them all the same elevation, so that's why I'm showing near perfect on everything, then my horizontal being off. But say you had a bad vertical on one of these shots, it would come up yellow or red. Yellow if it's within about a tenth and a half, 2.5 tenths. Red if it's way out of whack. If you had a bad one, you can cut it off and it'll tighten it up. In this case, apparently I did have something out of whack, or maybe it's a simulator, but normally it tightens up the values, not throws them out. But that's part of dealing with the simulator. Anyway, after you're happy with your results, we'll hit the green check, confirm that you want to finish it, and it automatically names it the name of the project, the date, and military time. You can click on it and rename it whatever you want to call it. Check and check, and it would just say, okay, this is now being used as your current localization, and you're good to go to work.